voices. I have no control over these voices. Why? Why, Mother? Why does this keep happening to me?
It is the calling. Your father.
My father? Wait, Mother, you are confusing me. What about my father? What are you saying?
Your father had the same gift. And we never believed those voices directing him to go to the palace.
The palace.
Mother, did you hear that voice saying the palace?
Okay. Go to the palace.
My princess, I tried explaining to your father, my king, there is no smoke without fire. And nothing happens for no reason.
But I think Chike is behind this. Yes, don't you think so? He's indirectly gunning for the throne.
My princess, it is still early to apportion blames. Wait until the police are done with their investigation.
The police?
Yes.
No now. The police investigation will always hit a brick wall. You know how they are. Nothing ever comes out of their investigations. Nothing.
I still maintain, wait until the police are done with their investigation. Please. Wait. Hello. Your Majesty. Okay, yes. I will be right there. I will be right there. Okay, sir.
Is anything the matter?
Your Majesty wants me to be in the palace as soon as possible.
Oh, okay. Let's go then.
Please, can you do me a favor?
A favor?
Yes.
What is it?
Take me home. I want to get home before I will see your father.
Okay, no, that's fine. Why not to know? I will.
Thank you, my dear.
All right. Hi. Let's go to Noah's house.
Oh, Mogedi. Why are you so worried? Mama Nkechi, she is going to land herself into trouble. People will take one look at her and say she is talking nonsense. Hi. Calm down. Calm down, Nne. Eh? You know how this vision works. There will be consequences if she fails. I know everything has a reason. Eh? Please allow her. Pico. Mama Nkechi, I am worried because, God, you know what happened to my husband. I don't want the same thing that happened to him to happen to my daughter. Calm down, my dear. Eh? She will surely come back. I know everything has a reason. Eh? Please allow her. Pico. Did you say Erice? Mama Nkechi, I don't want that reason. I don't want it at all. What kind of a thing is this now? Eh? Mama Nkechi.
Yeah.
Sir, a crime scene has been detected. Over.
Officer, go ahead with arrest. Arrest everybody at the scene. Everybody. And come straight to the office. Over.
Sir, I should go ahead with the arrest?
Yes, everybody aside. Arrest them.
Okay, sir. Over.
I'm expecting you at the office. Who is there? Who is there? Come in. Easy.
You have a letter.
From?
Hospital.
The hospital?
Yeah.
This is strange.
What does the report say, sir?
His brain is super active. There's no record of blackout, whatever.
What does the report say, sir?
His brain is super active. Has no record of blackout, whatever.
Wow. Then he's lying. He knows more than he's telling us.
With what evidence? His fingerprint is not visible anywhere. And we arrested him because he was at the crime scene. Understand that?
Are you saying that we are looking at the wrong place? Yeah? Or maybe they were poisoned?
The autopsy shows there is no food poisoning anywhere. I think their lives were snuffed off in the air. I am confused. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
Prince Sebastian cannot be the heir. That is why I have come, Your Majesty. At first, I did not understand it, but it soon began to make sense. Hence, I am here.
Tell the king why you are here. Or is it because the palace is open? Anybody can come here and talk to the king anyhow. If you don't mind, leave us. Leave this place.
Prince Sebastian cannot be the heir.
What? Wait. Who are you? Who are you and what are you doing in this palace? I ask you. How dare you walk into this palace and make such suggestions to the king? How dare you? Now, get up and leave this palace right now. I said leave!
Enough! Enough! Go and be with your mother.
Dad, how can you say...
I said go and be with your mother!
Why the long face?
How dare you? What gives you the right to do what we are doing? Or do you want the guards to throw you out like a common criminal?
Your Majesty, if you want to see the end from the very beginning, place your hand on mine.
I am the king of Oranta Kingdom. You have no right whatsoever to question my orders.
I deserve to know. I am your wife, the queen of Oranta Kingdom. I am not your subject, and I ask again, why bring another woman into this house?
I don't have to remind you. I have the right to marry more than one wife. Besides, she is pregnant of my child.
I beg your pardon? In that case, you are bringing your mistress home, not just any other woman. For the records, I am 6 weeks gone, so do not look for another excuse.
When and how did this happen? When did you get to know about it?
Like I said, 6 weeks gone. I was just waiting for it to be up to 3 months to make sure nothing happens to it like others.
Accept my congratulations. But it's not going to change anything because I am going ahead with the marriage.
Oh, Sacre. How could you have forgotten that you and I built this empire from scratch to finish? I stood by you when you were a nobody. Now that you wear the crown, I am no longer that woman. Really?
What exactly are you getting at? I want to understand the drift of your tongue.
Informing you that no other woman steps into this house.
The last time I checked, I am still the king of Oranta Kingdom. And my word is law.
Osawe, you won't enjoy this.
My love, my jewel of inestimable value. Today, I officially welcome you to your new home. That it shall be well with you in all aspects of life. you would have a say in whatever that happens in this kingdom. Together, we would live happily ever after. And together, we will rule this kingdom until death do us part. And so shall it be.
No, yes,
That's good.
Cabo, ezigbo nwanyị.
No, yes, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. No, busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No, yes, I want to come living again anymore. Many days and many nights I cry. Shibo, can't make it no busy.
Dad! Come here. Let me have the key.
What is the meaning of this? Oledo, what is the meaning of this madness? Can't you see I'm going somewhere with my wife? You dare obstruct me from going to see somebody? Is that what you're trying to do?
Well, this is not fair.
What is not fair?
Since you married this thing, I have lived in neglect in this house.
And who is to be blamed? I expected you to behave maturely, but no, you wouldn't. And now I left you to your conscience, you're crying foul?
Can't you say this? Aren't you seeing any sign? She is taking my husband away from me. I need my husband back.
Now listen to me, I don't have the time for this madness, like I said. The keys. I am going out somewhere with my wife.
If you should go out, should be with me and not this thing.
Oledo, you better stop this madness before you see the other side of me. The key.
Really?
I said the key.
What is the problem in this house? Has she gone mad?
Oledo!
Honey, let's go and collect the key. Let's go and collect the key.
Will you bring it? Where are you going to?
Orlando! You this house, woman! I don't want this girl! I'm going to kill her!
What I want to eat is pepper soup. Rice and pepper soup. And I want you to give me the very best. Yes.
Honey, you know I'm a good cook.
I know that already. That's what I want.
Okay. Don't worry. I will take care of your stomach.
Ever since you came into my life has never been the same again. I never knew marriage could be this sweet. You're welcome to my world.
Thank you, my love.
Oledo, what is it again? What do you want? Can't you see we're having a wonderful time together here?
Do you call this having a good time?
What is your problem?
What is your
What is your problem? You what is your problem?
You loser!
I will take my husband.
I will sue.
Enough of this madness! Enough, both of you!
Get up from here!
Oledo, what is the meaning of this madness? Okay, this is what you want, right? Hey, shit, Oledo! It's okay. Shit. Yes! Shit, we are having a wonderful time together. No! Oledo! Will you shift? I said
I am not going anywhere. Oh no, how can you say this? How could you?
My queen, I am saying this because by tradition, the king is entitled to as many wives as he can. Huh? You should understand this, my queen.
That is not my particular point. All I am asking is for a little attention. I need my husband's affection. I'm a woman. I have blood and water running through my veins. You need to talk to him. We'll talk about this later.
Brandon, listen to me. This is a contract that is running into millions of naira. So we just have to be very, very careful how we handle it, okay? Yes, the contractors are coming the day after tomorrow. Of course, the council members will be here. Yes, we are expecting you. Oh yes. Yes, the Onowu is fine. Everybody's fine. Onowu.
Okay.
Oledo is the troublesome one here. Why can't she accept the fact that I'm entitled to marry more than one wife? Why can't she accept that fact?
But Queen Isioma should acknowledge her as the first for peace to reign.
Oh no. What exactly are you saying? I mean, what are you insinuating?
It is only a fool that tests the depth of a river with no feet. Remember, those women are carrying your children. I suggest you treat them well for peace to reign. It is also good for them to have their separate spaces for peace to reign.
Oh.
Yes. Trust me when I say this. If you do it, there will be peace. Yes.
What are you talking about? I am the first wife, so you should go to the boys' quarter.
I brought light into this house, so you move behind
It's light! A house I built from foundation to finish?
You that.
I don't blame you.
Oh,
when I
God.
share one husband, want everything. I don't blame you.
What's going on here? What is going on here? Toledo, what is the problem with you again? Won't I have peace in my own palace? Be careful. Be careful.
No piense agua come the more. Days and many nights I cry. Shivo, can't think
Ibani Bukalilia, Wambuze, Uncle Kade Carton,
Greetings, my queen.
How is my son doing?
He's alright, my queen. I just finished feeding him.
It's okay. Make sure there's hot water. I want to bathe him as soon as I'm done with this call.
Okay, my queen.
Hello, my dear friend. How are you? Yes, we're alright. We're still coming from the naming ceremonies
Time
today.
up.
I'll call you back.
I said your time is up.
Time up? Time up for what?
It is time for you to leave this palace and never return.
Is your mouth? Are you alright? If there's anyone to leave this palace, it's supposed to be you. This is my husband's house. My home. I built this home from foundation to finish. Anyway, on whose order are you talking that nonsense?
His Majesty, my king, my husband, the love of my life, King Osakwe, ordered you to leave this palace immediately.
So people are so daft. If there's something my husband can do, it's bringing you into this home.
So you think I'm joking? I'm talking to you, you're laughing. I said your time is up!
Or will you shut your mouth up? What has come over you? Now listen, let me enlighten you. Asakwe was my husband before he became the king of this kingdom. Don't push me further. That my husband allowed you to come into our life to separate the beautiful home we have is enough. I need to confirm from my husband because you are talking nonsense.
You are going nowhere. You're leaving this palace now.
You're obstructing my part. I want to see my husband.
God!
Oh, don't!
God! Throw her out of this place. Now!
Hey, stop there. Don't come any further if you don't want to have your head chopped off.
And as for your child, you're not leaving the palace with him. He is not mine. And he will never remember you again. God! Take this woman out now!
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No busy. I want to come to be anymore. Many days and many nights I cry. Chibo, Pianikino. no busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No busy. I want to come to be anymore. Many days and many nights I cry. Chibo, Pianikino. Magugu wabianije akwone. Many days and many nights I cry. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No busy. I want to come to be anymore. Many days and many nights I cry.
Wait, this is not right. This is not right.
What is not right?
This is the middle of the night. What if something happens to her? Oh, have you lost your sense of humanity? Please, just let her return to the house, at least for this night.
Let her go to her father's house. There's no place for her here.
Oh, okay, for the sake of her child, can you please let her come in?
My love, don't worry about the child. He will be well taken care of. And as for her, there is no place for her in this palace. Excuse me. I'll be waiting for you in the bedroom.
But people may think you are naturally wicked.
Well, relax. Come to the bedroom. I'll take good care of you, okay?
This is not happening.
I cry.
Fool. Idiot. Stupid woman. You think all that glitters are gold. Let me see how your own story we end. Nonsense. God! God!
My queen.
Now listen, and listen very good. I want you to move around the palace. Search everywhere properly. What did I say?
Search everywhere properly, my queen.
Anywhere you see this picture, I mean this thing, remove it and destroy it.
Yes, my queen.
Now move. Come. Remove this thing. Move it. Move it from here. Burn it!
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. No busy. I want to come to bed anymore. Man, things and me.
Oledo, what have I done? How? My sons? I caused all these? I put my son in the line of danger? How?
Your Majesty, Oledo died heartbroken and sad. She had no voice to speak up for her. And all she ever wanted was your affection. You two built such a sweet and lovely home. But you destroyed everything with your selfishness, which left her with no choice but to cry to Miliani.
Okay. What must be done? How can this wrong be corrected? I am ready to do anything, please.
The only way you can appease her is to crown her son, Prince Chike, your heir.
But
there is no but, Your Majesty. It is now or never.
Voice my heart to you. No busy. I just want to voice my heart.
No, Father. As a mail from came to investment
Please do not turn away from.
That will never happen. It will never happen. You think I will allow you make such a decision? No way. Oh, so this is what you have schemed. To bring some fake seer, to fabricate some stupid stories, to steal my son's mandate.
Oh, will you stop being ridiculous? Stop it!
Okay.
Now, if you must know, I don't know that girl from Adam. Listen to me. Sebastian's life can still be saved. from whatever he is going through. But Chike must be made the heir apparent to the throne. That way, Oledo's soul can be pacified and she will find rest. That is the point.
Who cares? Did I ask her to take her own life? No. Did I tell her to take her life? Let me even ask you, my king. When did you even start having faith in a medium? You have forgotten that those things are lies. Lies from the pit of hell by Chike. You don't know Chike. Oh. I know Chike more than you do. Chike is just a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Oh, will you stop all this, your negative insinuations? Stop it for once. When are you going to stop all these blame games? Shouldn't we be talking about your son who was wrongly arrested and imprisoned? How we can release him? Is that not what we should be talking about?
Good! Now we are on the same page. Oh, you're too much, my king. Now you understand what I've been saying since. Are you not the one who should release my son that did not do anything and is in there? You are the one to release my son and make him king. That is what I've been saying since. I'm happy we're on the same page now. Because you think I don't know what you want to do. But my king, no. My son has to be the king. At least now we are on the same page. You understand what I'm saying? I can't believe that after all these years, Oledo's name will ever be mentioned in this palace. When the ball is already in motion for my son to become the heir. Now that little brat. Where the heck did she come from? Now I have to start all over again.
Chike, why are you keeping quiet? Say something now. Your silence is making me nervous.
What do you want me to say?
What did you come here for? Where is father? Why is no one saying anything? Why are you all just leaving me here to languish?
Because you put yourself in this position. You killed those innocent people. Why are you lying?
I did not kill them, Chike. You should know that. If I did, how come I have no recollection of anything that happened that day?
Because you are lying. Your mother made my mom cry down to Miliani. Both of you are capable of doing a lot. I know that she has been working tooth and nail to pronounce you the heir to the throne, even when you know fully well that the throne is not yours.
So this is about the throne, Chike. This is about the throne. That's why you're so callous and heartless. I am disappointed in you. And for your information, you will never sit on that throne. Not as long as I live. Because I am the heir to the throne.
Prince Chike, your time is up. I need to take him back to the cell. Now.
Hey,
I have never been dishonest with you. I am in love.
How? Prince Chike, how can you be in love with me? You know your family will never accept me.
Why do you always judge a book by its cover?
Hmm?
Why? Listen, if I must marry, I will marry who I love, and that is you.
But what if they refuse? Royalty takes marriages seriously.
Listen, this is about you and I. This is not about royalty. I just want you to know that
my prince, I'm sorry. Not to cut you short, but my mother must be looking for me. I have to go.
Are you sure about this?
I am 101% sure. He made those plans himself. He did.
Listen, I've always known that there is something sinister about all this.
So, Mom, what do we do? What do we do? Because Dad is actually insistent on making him his heir. What do we do, Mom?
It's okay. You don't need to worry yourself, okay? Mommy is here to take care of everything. I'll make everything perfect, trust me.
Mom.
All right, come with me. Follow us.
Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No, yes,
Good afternoon, Mama.
Oged.
Mama?
Oged.
Yes, Mama.
Why on earth will you leave this compound without letting me know?
Hey.
Eh?
Mama, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I just stepped out for an errand.
An errand? Who sent you? Onye dunyere gị? Eh?
Mama, I'm sorry. Oh, it will not happen again. Be cool. Oh, Mama.
Oged.
Mama.
Oged!
Yes, Mama.
Let this not repeat itself again. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama. Mama, no, be cool. It's okay. It will not happen again. Oh? Mama. Mama, Ngwa, let me help you. But Mama, this one that you're picking ugu, what are we preparing?
Vegetable soup.
Ah! Mama! Chiro. Did you say vegetable soup? Mama.
Funny.
Mama. Mama, near step. Near another one. Mama. Mama. Chiro, you decided to cook my favorite. Mama, take 5. Take. Mama, in my next life, you will still be my mother.
Oh, you are now rejoicing. But we are not even here to help me cut ordinary vegetable.
Hey, Mama, now. What's the goal? I begged you now, Mama. You're so angry.
It's okay.
Hey, Mama. Mama, I love you, Vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup.
Mama! Just don't worry. Go inside. I'll finish the cooking. Oh? Yes, Mama. Just go inside.
Just my daughter,
Mama! Hey!
Take it easy now. Sorry, oh.
Hi, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi. This is it, Mama.
Oh, good.
Yes, Mama.
You see these plates here? Make sure you wash them.
Mama, that one is not enough. Just this plate. This one. Hey, Mama, anything you want me to do today, Wakachuku, I will do it all. Oh? Just go inside and lie down. Oh?
Okay. I'll be waiting, oh. In my own share.
Yes, Mama. Vegetable soup. By the time I finish eating this vegetable soup, Makachuku, no guy in this village can talk to me. Just near vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. Mama. Hey, how can Mama just surprise me like this? Hey, this woman. Oh, Mama. Hey, vegetable soup. Hey, Mama just decided to cook vegetable soup on a normal day like today. Hey, how can Mama just prepare vegetable soup without even telling me? This woman.
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No busy. I'll probably come living again anymore.
Never. I cannot come this far to lose. All their plans will never work. Sebastian will be named no matter what happens. They think by planting a fake seer will soften Isioma. They all must be in dreamland. Nothing will stop me.
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please do not turn run away from me. No piense,
Demon, my king, my glory, you will live forever. Oh, Demon Busama, my pride. You know what I want now? I want us to go upstairs. Is everything all right?
Nothing will forever be all right again.
Why? On a day like this? On a beautiful day like this? My king, wait for your wife. Eh? Ah, the love of my life. My wonderful king. Oh, you feel. Are you okay? I asked you where my husband was. You said you didn't know. Now you want to follow me. So, go away. Give him up. Hi, my darling husband.